OneWeb's mission is to provide internet access to all of the areas around the world.
They're going to be put into orbit. We have satellites up there that are already performing really well. So now we're just going to keep building our constellation.
Putting that network of satellites strategically positioned so that we can reach those areas that currently don't have access to the internet.
We've been working 10, 12, 14-hour days, and to get the first launch is a big accomplishment.
We're perfectionists, getting things perfect. And the mission is to do mass production of satellites.
It's exciting times and it's cutting edge.
We've made more satellites than anybody in such a short amount of time. So it's like really, really exciting.